children are playing. Imagine this is a carpet where children are playing, and this is alphabet carpet for Arabic. Aleph is for Arnab, which is rabbit. Bay for Batta, which is duck. Tay for Taj, which is the crown. And Say for Salat, which is fox. So when children play with a phone like this, and the moment they reach Aleph, they play a song which is about the rabbit which eats carrots, and then the moment they go to Ta, it plays a song about Taj, the crown, which has got diamond and gold. And when it goes to Ba, it will play a song about Ba, which is duck. And then when it goes to Tha, it plays a song about fox, which ate the chicken, and things like that. And in this way, that was Tha. And you can have instruction for all types of tags. The secret is, of course, the tag behind, which is a passive antenna tag, which is in there, in the carpet. The tag is hidden behind the carpet and inside, and this is a passive tag inside the carpet, and reading is in the phone, which reads the phone. Yeah, it can be in the separate unit, reader unit. Thank you very much.